She shops for me from Shein. Shein. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we will be doing an unboxing. Okay, I have this items to unbox with you guys, and these items came from a subscriber very dear to my heart. Here, everybody's getting my heart. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Click on the subscription button, click on the notification bell to always get notified whenever I post my video, and we'll be getting right into the unboxing immediately. So like I tell people, don't stop whatever you're doing on this YouTube streets. Maybe you're saying that let me not do this so that they will not talk about it, or let me not do that so that they will not talk about it. My sister, keep being good. The Lord sees the heart. Okay, I don't know if you guys understand the meaning of my name. The meaning of my name is OGOM'S. OGOM'S means my goodness will not kill me. Okay, my goodness will not kill me, and it shall not kill me in Jesus' name. I will keep doing good, I will keep being good, I will keep spreading good, and I will keep spreading love. Okay, so let's get right into the unboxing. So all these items you're seeing here came from Joy Ugonne. Carry me they go. Jehovah carry me they go where joy dey. Carry me they go. Carry me they go where joy dey. So these items came from Joy Ugonne. First of all, I bless the day that you came across my channel. Okay, all the people that are my subscribers, I bless the day that you guys set eyes on my channel, stick to my video, subscribe, and you have been supporting me. So to you, Joy Ugonne, I say God bless you. Okay, thank you so much for the love that you keep showering on me. Thank you so much for the love that you keep showering on others, because this gift is not limited to only me. You keep gifting people. Okay, and I say may God continue to bless you, replenish your pockets, you shall not lack. Wherever you have brought out money to do this shopping for me, hi, God will bring it back in millions and in billions folds for you in Jesus' name. Whatever you touch, it shall continue to prosper, it shall continue to progress in Jesus' name. So let's get right into it. Yeah, hold on, can record one. So the first item of the day, so this is actually for my kids. She said these are for my kids. Okay, and let me just bring out everything, or rather let me just bring it out one after the other. So this is Hershey's milk chocolate. This is it, and here is it. Okay, it has different chocolates inside: Kit Kat, Almond Joy, Reese, peanut butter, so many things. Okay, that is what is inside here. And this is ice cream gum balls. I'm sorry, I've opened this to actually test it so that I will know how it tastes. And inside here is chewing gum. Okay, it will look like a bubble gum, but this is how it looks inside. Okay, so it's in different colors. Yeah, so here is it. These are for the kids. Thank you so much, Joy, I really appreciate it. So hey, she shops for me from Shein. Anyway, these items are from Shein, like plenty. Plenty of them, plenty. Okay, let me show you guys. You know, whenever they send me something, I have to check to know if $100 will fall out, because $100 fall out on one neck is my own. So hey, this is me. Oh, this is me. So these are all our items. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 items from Shein. Even shaking. But let's open the bags, okay? But I love the packaging of Shein. Hey, I love their packaging. It's always coming in this bag, because I've usually seen people shop and do unboxing from there. Okay, so you just open up And so this is our first item. Hello. Away. So this is a top. Okay, this is a blue top, and I'll be rocking it when I'm done. So this top is a blue top. Yeah, a blue top with this puffy hand, and the material and the quality is top notch too. This material will equally last for you. It's not the normal material that will be bringing out hairs when you wear it. I know I haven't worn it, but with the touching the material, you will see. So this is the top, a blue top. Okay, this is it. Now we'll be going over to the next item, which is this. I'm just opening all this, and it equally smells nice. Oh God, like how I smell my man's clothes. Hey, oh my God, oh my God, oh my God, look at this. This is a purple top. It has this long hand, and it has this pleated. Is this pleated? I don't know, please correct me in the comment section. This is pleated, and the material is equally nice. You can rock this as a workout outfit, that is a corporate wear, and you can also rock it as a casual wear with your trouser and your sandals and your bag. You're good to go. So this is it, and it came in size, let me check the size. There is no size on this one. Okay, there is a size, and this is I don't understand this one, Sha. This is the size. So we'll be going over to the next item. Hey, God, oh. Guys, I have started wearing tarpaulin. Have you worn tarpaulin before? This is my tarpaulin. Hey, anything can happen anytime, any day. When they look at now, look at this. Is a sweat. Is this a sweat pants? I don't know, Sha, but this is a sweat pants. Okay, and it matches my skin tone. Just Martin, look at it. It matches my skin tone. This is the type that you wear, people will think that you are naked. This one matches my skin tone. If you don't enter me, I'm on a serious weight loss journey now. I need to lose weight. But this one, it will enter me. 40, 42. Hey. My ukwelo, okay, is drawing. So it will enter. So this is a leggings for a trouser. So here is it. We'll be going over to the next item. Nekwa na onye akwa oche adịghị arara ụra. Onye akwa oche adịghị arara ụra. Is this a suede or velvet? Whichever one it is. I call it akwa oche. So, hey, I have seen a dress for my dinner dates. Even if my husband doesn't want to go out, Oga, we are going out. I need to rock this gown. Look at. This is, hey, Shein Curve. One neno gown now. Look at gown. This is a blue gown. I don't have a blue gown. And this one, I will rock it with reckless abandon. I will rock this one with reckless abandon. Look at it. It's my size. Even if it's not my size, I will lose weight to weight. This one will be a motivation. But all of them, it will size me. And the last one is this one. Is, oh God, this top. So this is a top. How is it looking? Yeah, it's a top. Okay, so this is a normal top. You can also rock this with a trouser. It has this shoulder pad here. I don't know if you can feel it. You can't feel it because I'm the one holding it. So you can rock this with a trouser or a corporate black pants. This is what you can rock it with, or you rock it randomly, just normal casual. Okay, so this is how it's looking, and let me rock all this outfit for you guys. I'm sure you will definitely enjoy it. So guys, this is our first top. I don't know if you can see it. So I'm rocking it with this jeans. I just want to show you the top because it's the top that I'm about to sample here. I love the quality. You can wear this as a casual, or you can wear this as a corporate. So this is how it looks. Okay, yeah, you rock this with a bag, or you rock this with anything that you want to rock it with. So this is how it's looking. Here is our second outfit. Like I told you guys, it will make you to puff. You puff like this. Booga. This is a shoulder pad that is buga. So here is the outfit. You can rock this with a black bag or whichever one that you have. So here is it. You're good to go. I'm rocking all these outfits with one particular jeans because this jeans matches everything. So here is it. You're good to go. Picture perfect. So here is the gown. I'll be showing a video by the side if you can see it. So here is it. Yeah. So guys, here is our leggings, our brown leggings. Okay, this is how it's looking. You do like this, you snap like this. Okay, yeah. Hey guys, so I'm done with the clothing haul. Oh my god, doing a clothing haul is not easy. Big applause to everyone that is doing clothing haul. I'm tired. I started sweating, my people. I started sweating. So we are done and dusted. Thank you so much, Joy Igonne. Azine, I'm gonna rock this outfit, and when I'm rocking, I'm tagging you. You will now be my tagger. I'll use you for all the whole tags. Thank you so much. If you have watched up to this moment, God bless you. So this chocolate, let me open it so that we will lick small. Inside here, we have plenty of them. This one is Reese peanut butter cup. Okay, let's open and see how it is. My children, they've been hovering around like bee so that I will finish the video for them to come and taste the chocolates. But let me just be done with what I'm doing so that I will give them. So this is how it is when you open it. Hey, anytime I'm doing weight loss, things will come from all round. Okay, I understand this one. Look at how it is. Hey, who is that? Who is that? Is you Chibundoba? Yeah, look. What do you say?
Welcome back to my video.
You are not louder.
Welcome back to my video.
It's not your video, it's mommy's video. Say welcome back. Good evening, guys.
Good evening, guys.
Welcome back to mommy's channel.
Welcome back to mommy's channel.
So which one would you want to taste? Is one auntie that gave you people, and what do you say to her?
Thank you, auntie.
Thank you so much. We appreciate. Thank you so much. So on this note, we'll be ending this video. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share any of my videos, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.
Bye.
Do your own. You see?